Hey, how's it going? So today we're unboxing this portable infrared heater. It's a propane heater with 10,000 BTUs. The company brand is BLUU. All right. So let's get this undone. The model is D11001B. And here's the dimensions here. It's basically 16 inches by 9.6 by 16.7. All right, and runs on propane. The tank itself, the heater itself weighs almost about 10.5 pounds, a little over 10.5. Right. So let's get this open here. Nice little seal, so that we know it's brand new. Here we go, just take it out of the box. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And the foam is really keeping this thing in, but there we go. Okay. That out. That right there. Alright, so here's the unit itself. So let's make sure I'm in frame here. Yeah, okay, cool. Let me close the box here. I will give you a little bit height. So let's take it out of the plastic bag. And there we go. Okay, so now we're not in frame. How's that? Good? Alright, so inside you'll see we have the manual here. It's some safety, do not store or use gasoline or flammable liquids in the vicinity. It's a lot of information here. So this does have a low oxygen safety shutoff system. Do I trust it? You should, but I always carry a CO2 monitor detector with me just in case, whenever I'm using this, especially if it's kind of more indoors. Here we go. So that's just an explosion diagram, parts list, so you can kind of see, and later on if you have to try to fix something or fix a clogged line, then this will help. All right. So let's see the unit up close here. So this is metal. This is a nice little cover here, and it even says caution hot. So this itself will get hot because it's in front of this. Ooh, that feels cool. Little ceramic disc thing in there. So this is metal. It has nice rubber feet. Oh wow, it has a little tie strap down here. That's kind of strange. Okay, and on this side you'll have the pilot knob. So you'll put it over here to the pilot position right here, and that should help set off the fire. And then from there you'll turn to minimum, and you can adjust it all the way up to the max. Alright. Here's the back. It comes with a little mounting, so I guess if you want to, you can mount this. I never heard of anyone mounting this to anything, but at least you have the option. On the left side is going to be the door. As you can see, it'll open up, and there's your where you connect it. So I'm just going to leave that right there, and let me grab my little tank here. This one I just kind of got from my nearest store. I believe it was a 2-pack for about $5. A tank of this would run about, I think they said about 5 hours on high. So if you have it on low, then it should last a little longer than that. I'll update it in the description of how long mine actually lasts. I'm not going to be using it anytime soon because it's not really as cold where I live right now. But I'll update it in the description, all right? So again, this is just a little typical propane 1 pound, 16 ounces. All right, just take off the cap. course, the cap is just a little pull off. I try not to move this around too much, just to kind of keep all the, if there's any kind of like stuff inside the propane tank, you want to just kind of keep it settled to the bottom so that it doesn't clog up your tank here. So you just basically, let's get that frame here, put it there, make sure it's straight, and just righty-tighty, or try to righty-tighty it. There we go. I think I got it going in. Nope. Trying to do it one-handed, kind of weird here. So I'm just going to put it on the ground. Then I'm going to twist this in. So make sure I don't cross the treads here. Not so much for not moving the propane around too much. But there you go. So now it's slowly locking into place. I'm not really in frame there, but just have to keep twisting, twisting, twisting. I'm almost there. Okay, there we go. Not too tight, but there you go. It's nicely in. Close the door lid. And there we go. Alright. So, now that the propane should be in, let's give it a run and see if I got it going. I'll push it in. The pilot. I think I have a shot there, so let's go. There you go. Kind of hear it there. Boom. It's kind of bright in here, but I can already feel the heat. You can see this kind of turning red already. You saw the flame kind of burst a little bit when I put it from minimum to high. You can hear it and definitely can feel the heat already. Very cool. So you can hear it. Okay, so it sparks from down here, and then it lights the fire, the pilot, and it lights up this whole thing. Slowly gas will come out, propane come out, and it'll just light it all up. Of course, right now it's kind of bright because I'm doing it during the day. Let me turn off the